The countdown is on, and early Christmas survival deals are here. With discounts up to 45% off on top-rated survival gadgets. From tactical gear to essential off-grid tools, these Amazon picks are designed to keep you prepared for anything. Don't miss out. Your next must-have survival upgrade could be just a click away. All mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 20. Woowind Electric Air Pump. Save 20% and get the Woowind Electric Air Pump for $23.99, down from its original $29.99. This compact survival gadget delivers strong 200 liters per minute airflow for fast inflation and deflation, powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. It also includes a built-in LED light that lasts up to 10 hours. With its palm-sized design, one-touch control, and full nozzle set, it's a smart outdoor essential. Grab this deal before it vanishes into the night. Number 19. BIBURY Mini Multitool Pliers. Get it for $20.99 at 25% off. This compact BIBURY Mini Multitool packs needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a window breaker, hook knife, file, tweezers, bottle opener, and a replaceable scalpel blade into a small 5.5-ounce design. It's pocket-friendly, TSA-friendly when the blade is removed, and built from durable 4CR14 stainless steel. A solid everyday carry pick for survival, camping, travel, emergencies, and quick fixes. Grab it before the deal disappears. Number 18. 2-pack waterproof lighter. Get this 2-pack for $14.23 at 5% off. You get a USB rechargeable dual-arc lighter plus a refillable butane torch, both built with waterproof, windproof housings for tough outdoor use. The arc lighter charges fast and runs up to 300 times per charge, while the butane torch delivers a strong 1.8-inch jet flame. Compact, durable, and easy to carry, it's a solid pick for camping, hiking, and survival kits. Grab this deal before it disappears into the wild. Number 17. Jellas Professional 15-piece. Get this kit for just $55.99 after a solid 20% markdown. This 15-piece Jellas hunting and survival gadget set gives you everything you need in the field, including skinning tools, a fillet knife, bone saw, axe, gut hook, shears, and more. The 5CR steel blades stay sharp and durable, and the camo handles offer a steady grip. All tools pack neatly into a rugged case. Grab this deal before it vanishes. Number 16. Survivor Filter Ferro. Score this for $55.94 after a clean 20% price drop, making it a strong pick for anyone building a reliable survival gadget setup. The Survivor Filter Pro is a compact hand pump purifier that weighs just 12.8 ounces and delivers fast filtration at 500 milliliters per minute. It removes 99.999% of tested viruses, bacteria, and protozoa, and comes with hoses, filters, and a carry case. Grab this deal before it ends. Number 15. Multitool Pocket Knife. Now down to $13.59 from its original $16.99, this deal gives you a solid 20% price break on a handy survival gadget built for dads who love the outdoors. This 13-in-1 multi-tool packs pliers, cutters, a knife, openers, screwdrivers, and interchangeable bits into a compact, durable design with a safe locking system and a nylon sheath. It's practical, easy to carry, and makes a great gift. Grab this offer before it's gone. Number 14. Swede Ferro Rod Fire Starter. Grab this 2-pack for $14.89, a 26% saving off its original $19.99 price. These extra-long ferro rod fire starters are essential survival gadgets for camping, hiking, or emergency use. The ergonomic handles provide a secure grip even in cold or wet conditions, while the durable ferrocerium rods produce over 15,000 sparks. Compact, weatherproof, and reliable. They're perfect for lighting fires anywhere. Don't miss out. Grab it before the bugs do. Number 13. aZengear Repair Patches. Now just $7.79, down 22% from its original $9.99. This aZengear 11-piece repair patch set is a must-have survival gadget for quick fixes on the go. The waterproof, tear and heat-resistant nylon polyester patches work on jackets, tents, bags, and more. Self-adhesive and easy to apply, no sewing or ironing needed. Keep your gear in top shape. Grab this deal before it disappears. Number 12. Soggy DIVERGE XR. Get the Soggy DIVERGE XR for $48.70, a 17% saving off its usual $59.03 price. This survival gadget features a 3-inch sheepsfoot D2 steel blade with precision cuts and SOG's XR lock for secure handling. The textured 6061 aluminum handle provides a firm, comfortable grip, making it perfect for utility tasks, outdoor adventures, and everyday carry. Grab this deal before it's gone. Number 11. Energizer WeatheReady Power Outage Kit. Grab this Energizer WeatheReady Power Outage Kit for $17.14, a 19% saving off its $21.06 original price. This survival gadget includes a 2-in-1 LED flashlight lantern, LED headlamp, and backup AA and AAA batteries, all in a portable storage case. With up to 10 days of bright light, water-resistant design, and red light night vision, it's perfect for hurricanes, storms, or roadside emergencies. Don't miss this deal. Secure it before it's gone. Number 10. Walker's Razor Slim Ultra. Grab the Walker's Razor Slim Ultra earmuffs for $31.56, a 25% saving off the $41.88 original price. These survival gadgets block hazardous noises while amplifying safe sounds with high-gain microphones. The ultra-low-profile design and padded headband ensure comfort for long-term wear, and they even feature an audio input for music. Rugged, easy to use, and ideal for shooting, hunting, or noisy work environments. Grab this deal before it's gone. Number 9. Freelander Japanese-style high-carbon steel. Now $32.99, a 45% saving from its $59.99 original price. This Freelander Japanese-style machete is a must-have survival gadget. The 10.5-inch high-carbon steel blade offers superior cutting strength, paired with an ergonomic red sandalwood full-tang handle for secure grip. It comes with a durable wood and leather sheath and is perfect for camping, hiking, yard work, or survival tasks. This tarps your fortress in the wild. Number 8. Quick Clot Gauze. Grab this Quick Clot Gauze for $12.72, a 36% saving off its $19.99 original price. This survival gadget accelerates clotting with kaolin-infused hemostatic gauze, making it ideal for deep cuts, outdoor adventures, or emergency kits. Compact at 3 inches by 12.5 feet, it fits easily in backpacks, glove compartments, or IFAK pouches. Trusted by medics and perfect for first aid. Grab it before the deal deploys out. Number 7. Clostnature Crux Lightweight Tent. Get the Clostnature Crux 4-person backpacking tent for $89.76, a 20% drop from its $111.99 original price. This ultralight survival gadget weighs just 7 pounds and sets up quickly with 2 aluminum poles. Waterproof with PU 5000mm coating, mesh ventilation, and a double-layer design, it's perfect for hiking, camping, or mountaineering. Includes stakes, rainfly, and carry bag. Don't wait. Safety like this doesn't stay on sale for long. Number 6. Gas Mask. Grab this full-face gas mask for $34.04, a 30% saving from its $48.99 and 64 cents original price. This survival gadget features a reusable silicone respirator, anti-fog lens, and 40mm activated carbon filter to protect against gases, organic vapors, chemicals, and particulates. Adjustable 5-point headband ensures comfort, while the voice diaphragm and airflow system make communication easy. Includes filters and accessories. Gear up before it burns out. Number 5. Fire Escape Ladder. The Maidancini 49 FT Fire Escape Ladder for $42.02, a 24% saving off its $55.30 original price. This survival gadget is a sturdy, portable, and foldable rope ladder with 2 hooks, perfect for 2 to 3-story homes, balconies, or tree houses. Supports over 2,000 pounds and deploys in seconds without tools. Compact and reusable, it's essential for emergency escape. When visibility means rescue, this deal is one you don't want to miss. Number 4. Camillus Heater. Grab the Camillus Heater 2 neck knife for $21.14, a 15% saving from its $24.99 original price. This compact survival gadget features a 1.75-inch 420 stainless steel blade with carbonate titanium for superior edge retention, a durable glass-filled nylon handle, and a molded sheath with belt clip. Perfect for everyday carry, camping, or hunting. Secure this essential tool before the deal ends. Number 3. Hand Crank Emergency Radio. Save 39% on this deal, now just $32 from its original $52 price tag. This 10,000 mAh hand crank emergency radio gives you AM/FM no AA weather alerts, a bright flashlight, a 48 LED reading lamp, a loud SOS alarm, and a built-in compass. You can charge it by USB-C, solar, or hand crank, and it even powers your phone. It's compact, waterproof, and easy to handle in any situation. Grab this deal before it vanishes into the night. Number 2. KingCamp Sleeping Pad. Get the KingCamp at $39.99 after the 5% discount, down from the typical $41.99, gets you a solid deal on a dependable outdoor and survival essential. The KingCamp Sleeping Pad offers real comfort with its wide design, built-in pillow, quick foot pump inflation, and soft 20D nylon. It packs down small, connects to a second pad, and fits easily into any camping or survival kit. Grab it before the deal fades out. Number 1. BIJIA Orienteering Map Compass. Now just $15.99 after a 20% discount, down from the original $19.99. This BIJIA Orienteering Map Compass is a must-have survival gadget for hikers, campers, and adventurers. With a global needle, sighting mirror, LED light, adjustable declination, and clinometer, it ensures precise navigation anywhere. Lightweight, durable, and packed with features, it fits perfectly in any survival or hiking kit. Grab this deal before it's gone. That's a wrap on our 20 early Christmas survival gadget deals you can't miss. Don't wait. Like, subscribe, and share now before these incredible discounts vanish.